What's up, guys? Excuse my disheveled appearance. It is a Saturday morning and, well, I guess it's afternoon at this point. But we're putting new tires and wheels on my truck. So we got this one already jacked up. This is the wimpy little jack that came with the vehicle, but because it's so small, we can't jack it directly on the frame, so we have it on this arm here. And so we have the tire lifted up, these old tires. These are 7-year-old tires, and so...
Yeah, but they're almost new.
Even though the tread is really good on them, because of their age, the rubber is essentially decomposed. And so I've talked about this in other videos before, how the wheels look kind of nasty. And I also mentioned how my grandfather, who got a new truck, was willing to let me use the wheels on his new truck on this one because he was getting new wheels. And I'll show you guys. This is my grandpa's new truck, and as you can see, those are not stock wheels. Yay! So that, guys, is where we're going to be putting the jack to jack up these rear wheels. What it does is it, since that's the flattest area we're going to get, that's going to be the best way to get these wheels off the ground. Yeah, putting new wheels on my truck. That's pretty freaking awesome. I'm super stoked for that. I think they look super awesome. The difference in size between these new ones and the other ones is pretty small. The overall size of the tire and rim together is about ½ inch less on these new ones. Since the truck's only 2-wheel drive and I'm not really planning on taking it off-roading, that's not really a big deal. So that's awesome and really cool. The offset, however, the positive offset is greater on these new wheels, and so they do rub just a little bit when I turn the wheel all the way to lock, but that's not enough for it to really make a difference. Of course, I have to still drive it and see how it feels driving, but yeah, on the whole, I'm super excited. They seem super awesome. I'm super glad that they're working and that they look so sick. So let me go ahead and show you. Actually, there's a leaf blower, so I'll show you guys my grandpa's truck now in its current form later. But yeah, awesome stuff. So guys, we had a lot done today. We got those new wheels on my truck. They look fantastic. I'm super happy with them. I'll go ahead and show you guys how they look right now. We've got the hood open because we've been cleaning the battery. But would you look at that? And then if you can see the massive Leviathan in the background, that's the new 2018 Tacoma after its 6-inch lift and new wheels installed. But I mean, look at that. That looks fantastic. It makes the car look newer, it makes it look nicer. I'm super, super happy with it and how it looks. So now I'm going to show you guys full glory of the 2018 6-inch lift 4-wheel drive TRD Sport Tacoma. This truck is insane. I've ridden in it you are so high off the ground. But yeah, it's pretty big. Got these humongous wheels. You got special lugs on them. Can't be taken off with normal lugs. They're Toyo open country tires. You can see they're quite knobby. 6-inch lift. Pretty massive spacers in on the suspension. Yeah, it's a pretty insane truck. Let me show you guys the approach angle on this. That's pretty whack. Basically like almost 60, 70 degrees, I think. And same in the back. Just absolutely insane clearance. So it's pretty sick. I would say that this truck right now, its current state, could compete with the off-road or even pro setup. And I'm sorry that for the sniffles, I have allergies. I'm super happy with how my truck turned out. I'm super excited for my grandpa with his awesome new truck, and it's been a great time. We also cleaned out the battery. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. We still have a little bit of rust there, but all that corrosion is now gone. And yeah, that's like a 5-year-old battery too, so doing pretty okay. There's one other thing that is kind of funny that I guess I'll show you guys. So these wheels didn't come with valve covers for the tires, so look at that. Good stuff. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to leave a like, comment down below with what you liked. Please subscribe and start sharing with your friends. I really, really appreciate it and all the support that I've gotten. But yeah, if you have any feedback for me, please go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. I'd really, really appreciate that. But yeah, if you didn't like the video, please do give it a dislike. And again, let me know how I can improve. But until next time, guys, peace out.